How to change your default email in Google Chrome. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your default email in Google Chrome. First, navigate to the Gmail website on your browser. Now click the profile icon in the top right corner. In the pop-up menu, select your Google account to continue with. To do this, sign out of the previous email account and tap Sign In again. Then, tap Next to verify it's you, which helps to keep your account secure. Next, you can use your fingerprint or screen lock to verify. It will show you the passkey and scan it with your device. Go through the account recovery process, then update your password. After that, go to Gmail and click the profile icon. Following that, click Sign In under the email you want to use in your browser. Then, verify that it's you by signing in with a passkey. Once it is verified, manage the recovery information, which helps you if you forget the password. Now tap Save to log in with a new account. You will see all the email addresses in the pop-up menu. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.